Last month, when I opened my account, everything was normal. But suddenly, a red warning sign flashed on the screen. It said, "Update your annual income." I stopped for a moment and thought about why they were asking this. Then I clicked the X at the top and closed it. Because this is not just a form, it's a total trap. Your information goes directly into a giant data funnel. There, high-tech scanners determine your financial worth. Large algorithm gears start turning, labeled with profit. It's exactly like a magnet pulling money from your pocket. There is a very important point here that you need to understand. Banks have two ways, law or request. When you take a mortgage for a house, it is mandatory to disclose there. A required stamp is placed there, and you have to provide proof. But when a bank suddenly asks, is it really necessary? Absolutely not, and you should always remember this. The bank keeps the book of law on one side and greed on the other. They watch you from afar with a telescope. Their goal is to fill their jar with your data bits. They are constantly monitoring your digital spreadsheet. Their eye is always on your money from the computer chip. This is a trap for those who move forward without thinking. When I saw this data flow chart, I understood the whole game. The bank turns a dial that goes from sensitive to affluent. If you earn more, they make things more expensive for you. They secretly increase interest rates through sliders. Now you have two paths, following their every word or doing your own research. Banks impress you with the shine of their gold cards. Whether it's silver, gold, or platinum, the goal is just your data. Then your mailbox suddenly fills with exclusive offers. You begin to sink under the weight of those offers. It's just like a hamster wheel where you keep running. But every shining thing is not gold. It's just a predator's hook. That's why I'm always suspicious when they show such kindness. They want you to press the red Raise Limit button. With this, your credit limit starts swelling like a balloon. But remember, this balloon is floating over thorns. People are walking a tightrope on this matter, and the balance can break. The bank gives you the rope with which you can get trapped by increasing the limit. Many people are badly entangled in this game. Always remember that real power lies in leverage. The bank's vault only opens when it's to their advantage. The key they provide can actually be an interest rate trap. Compare both prices and always stay alert. Because when recession clouds gather in the market, banks are the first to look at your screen. They immediately check your risk file to see how safe you are. And then they pull out giant scissors and cut your credit card. Your limit decreases in an instant. But if you have a privacy shield, then you are safe. Your data remains protected from their algorithms. Banks even keep records from 5 years ago. They keep your old salary circled with a red pen, and erasing that digital record is almost impossible. Banks put every customer into a star or category. Their funnel sorts every coin according to it. But I have a secret that banks don't like. I have a friend who works in construction. His income doesn't always stay the same. Sometimes it's less, sometimes more. When he put his income into the bank app, he was afraid. I showed him that the real thing is the consistency of 12 months. Suddenly, he started getting calls in which he could get trapped. His mailbox filled with gold star offers. I explained to him that all this is just a game. They follow you like a digital ghost. You are in the bank spotlight all the time. That's why always keep a privacy mask on your digital profile. When the bank app asks, have the courage to say no thanks, because the real trophy is your privacy. Your true worth is hidden in your payment history. Consistency and paying on time are the biggest things. Those who stay on the right track for months stay at the top. The real resume is the one that says on time and consistent. I have learned how to block the data stream. I always work with a privacy shield at my desk. Monitor your credit score yourself and let it grow. Stay away from the bank's magnet and protect your wallet. Always make a strategic choice between two paths. My control room is my payment history, not some bank algorithm. Put a big X on every wrong offer from the bank. Control your phone notifications so they don't control you. Data minimization is the real way to win. My strategy is always clear, and I am always ready. I have learned to press the decline button. My dashboard always points upward. I can erase my digital footprints myself. Because a closed laptop and locked icons are signs of privacy. I always use charts for my own benefit. The key to privacy should only be with me. This is my war, and I have a shield of data bits. Even if the bank's vault is open, I won't get trapped there. I say with pride, my data, my choice. I have said goodbye to that old income form forever. Now my path leads to financial freedom. I always keep my mind and my money locked. My smartphone now only protects my privacy. I have closed the book on my old financial life. Now I am moving above the sea of binary code. Today, I am completely satisfied with my work and my privacy, because I know that knowledge is real power. The real key is the one that keeps my computer screen locked. Now I enjoy my life peacefully without any pop-ups. There are always new and smart ideas in my mind. I am now more powerful than the bank's algorithms. I have made a shield for myself that keeps me safe. I log out of my account safely whenever I want. If you want to learn this too, then following is necessary. And don't forget to like this video. Always remember, behave well, talk less. Financial consistency is the foundation of real success. I am now enjoying my financial life without any worry. Rising above the bank's algorithms is the real victory. Every decision of mine is now perfectly right. I have always chosen the path of my privacy. I am now peacefully watching the new dawn of my life. My work is complete, and I am fully empowered.